I think grieving has its own time. You don't say that I'm not going to grieve anymore tomorrow. Grieving is today you're sad, maybe tomorrow you're okay. The following day maybe you're just lutang. The following day you're just happy with remembering the person you love with all the beautiful memories. The following day can be something else. So grieving is, it comes in waves. You know, it comes in waves. And you just, I guess, try to live one day at a time. You just take it in. But I have to be honest, sometimes,
not kung ano lang yung kaya mo pwedeng sabihin. Okay.
yeah, no. When I think about Mom, I forget she's gone. You know, sometimes yung isip ko too much. And then you snap back and then you remember she's no longer there. As I said nga, it comes in waves, but if there's one thing I guess with, like, I'm sure with Derek Louie and with Misty, you carry with you the beautiful memories. Those are the things that you will always just be thankful and grateful for, that you were part of their journey in life and that they are part of yours. And that you just carry that with you through time until we're here. And then hopefully whatever, you know, whatever beautiful memories that you've shared with them, you can pass it on along and just tell everyone about the beautiful things that they've done in their life while they were here. So, yun.